Oh, they're getting married still. Oh, silly. Oh, God.
He's an anybody.
I said you didn't cry.
Can we watch Grey's Anatomy now? Can we watch Grey's Anatomy now?
You're gonna die.
Self-comfort. I promise. What's wrong with you? Stop it. Stop it. It doesn't work.
Seriously, listen, no one died.
Like Dell.
This is like as bad as Dell and O'Malley combined.
O'Malley! I forgot about him.
This is how
Stop
sad.
now.
Definitely not.
Stop now.
It's funny.
It's funny.
What are you laughing at? Everybody just broke up. I can't believe you're laughing.
I just cried for 10 minutes. God. This is a weak point in my life.
Do you want
They're not even
water?
your boyfriend or girlfriend.
She did lose a lot.
I don't want water.
Why? You lost a lot.
I want ice cream.
Okay.
Me too, but you're not allowed to eat mine. You can only eat your
She wants to eat
disgusting.
yours.
You can only eat your disgusting blueberry shit.
Blueberries, blueberries.
I'm so glad I have that.
You guys, is this like one big video right now?
Yeah.
Oh, great. It's called the breakup for a reason. They break up.
Duh.
All four couples. Whatever happened to Mike Chang and Tina?
Tina!
I feel like that would happen to us too.
That literally like.
If we all had a boyfriend, that would happen to us too.
And then one of us.
Like
all
all
break up.
yeah.
Yeah.
At the same time?
Yeah.
No amount of ice cream can fix that
We would be
problem.
one big emotional that.
Yeah, I don't think they would have enough ice cream in the store
Or
for us that day.
Or Nutella.
Don't get a boyfriend.
Yeah, true.
The weird life of Alyssa Pacilio.
Really?
Okay.
Do you
Do
want to
it. No. I don't want to suck. We're almost there.
That's the funniest, saddest video I've ever seen.
We should have got it when Dell died.
Oh
You want to watch it?
No.
I can find the video.
my. No, I want to watch Grey's Anatomy.
No, we will later.
Where's it at?
Tonight. Tonight.
You're so sexy right now.
It's already 8:30.
It's 8:30. What are you going to bed at 9?
Who knows? This
It's
is boring
Friday. Listen, you're
Friday,
you're,
Friday.
Oh,
Oh my god. Doesn't make it feel better.
Well, Ford's bartending bullies. We can always just get drunk.
You want to watch?
I want to drink.
You are more than welcome to.
I don't have.
Oh my god, I have to tell you a story, but not when the voice recorder is on.